How's everyone doing? Geoff here with another lesson. Today we are looking at Swiss Army triplets, and this is in position number 3. Difficult one for some people because it's a left hand lead. So it goes left hand, right handed flam, followed by another right hand. So we get left, right, right, left, right, right. Sounds a bit like this. All I'm doing, I'm putting my hands in this position, and when I play 2 right hands on the snare drum, I'm playing 2 bass drums with it, like this. I'm playing those in 16th notes, which means I'm counting 1 yander, 2 yander, 3 yander, 4 yander, and it gives me this pattern here. Up tempo. So good fun. They give you that nice kind of interplay between the bass drum and the snare drum. This, and they're kind of I want to say easy to play because it's difficult to get the movement. But as soon as you've learned that pattern, that's quite easy to play fast. So go try them out. See how you get on. Let me know. Leave me some comments. I'll see you all again soon with some more lessons.